primo episodio abbiamo fatto le montagne, ora passiamo a fare la missione 2, il villaggio. Facile. Via. Ok, il villaggio è una missione, non è tanto difficile, ma bisogna usare logica in questo video. Vediamo questo breve filmato. Vediamo questo breve filmato, dai.
Well, Kit, all the damage has been repaired. You're as good as new.
Thank you, Bonnie.
You're welcome, Kit. Michael, I've discovered the missiles were activated by a remote control, but I've managed to intercept the signal. The broadcast is coming from 50 miles west of our current position. Devin wants you to find out the exact location.
Well, Kit, you heard the lady. We've got some work to do. Ready to hit the road?
Of course, Michael.
Michael, please be careful. We don't know who we are dealing
Fare
with.
molta attenzione.
What happened here? Kit, is there anyone still around?
I do not detect any signs of life, Michael, but I do sense some strange activity not so far from here.
Let's check it out. Keep your sensors peeled.
Of course, Michael.
This looks really serious. It looks like everybody just fled.
Indeed, Michael. Incoming data suggests this just happened recently.
Look at those burn marks on the ground. I saw the same kind of marks back at the gas station. Got any idea what might cause this?
I'm sorry, Michael. I scanned the marks and ran the data through several programs. But whatever it was, it created intense heat. Every stone in the ground has fused together.
Strange. What about the signal Bonnie intercepted?
It's stronger. We're getting closer to the source.
Come on, buddy. Let's go. We've got to find out who's behind this.
Vicino. Sarà successo qualcosa qui. Posso dare una missione? Non riesco a dire cose.
Michael, the signal is very strong now. It's coming from somewhere inside this compound.
Is there any way we can get inside?
Perhaps if we can micro-jam the terminal over there, we can find a way to open the gate.
Good thinking, buddy.
Oh ragazzi, scanalizzando questo.
Data retrieved from this terminal tells me that there are 3 other terminals connected to this gate. We have to find them in order to open this gate.
So what are we waiting for? Let's step on it.
Trovare questi centralini corretti. Una l'abbiamo vista. Sarà un'ultima cosa da sbloccare. Vediamo cosa sarà. Questo è l'ultimo. Ok, si è aperto. Bene. Non c'è nessuno.
Michael, there is no way back. I can't open the gate from here.
Kit, scan for another way out of here, okay?
Yes, Michael.
Ehi. Raga.
Kit!
No.
Kit! Buddy, are we all right? What happened?
I cannot say exactly, Michael. I've lost some very important functions. Another hit like this will destroy us both. I suggest we leave immediately.
Same thought here.
Before the impact, my scanner picked up a gate on the other side of the compound.
I see it.
Michael, that gate is now closing rapidly. We have to hurry.
Okay, get us out of here before we're toasted.
Oh cavolo, c'è questo cancello.
I sure didn't see that one coming.
Ok, velocità nel filo.
Mission completed.
Missione completata. Spero, raga, che il video, questa missione, questo video vi sia piaciuto. Questo secondo episodio vi sia piaciuto. Allora, iscrivetevi al canale, lasciate like, attivate la campanella per restare sempre aggiornati sui miei video che pubblicherò sul canale. E niente, ci vediamo in un prossimo video, raga. Ciao ciao da Peppe06. Ciao, raga.